Okay, this is the train. Wait, let me back up. Okay. Oh, that's another train. That wasn't very good. Okay. Our sink is underneath there. There is what we believe to be our trash can, but it might be an ashtray. We're not sure. This is our, hi. Okay. Top bunk. Bottom bunk.
Oh, you won? I won. That's awesome. $4,000. That's fantastic. That just makes it so much.
Everyone's like all awake and dressed, and I'm like, I just don't.
Are you serious? Oh, I'm not buying everyone that much. I got loans.
Yeah.
Good morning. Bathroom's down there. I really thought about taking this into the bathroom, but that's just gross. But it was really cool. It dumps out just onto the train track when you press the flush button. It's great. Okay, see you in Aswan.